Hello, this is Patrick. Welcome to Chart Built Wealth, Profitable Investing with Technical Analysis. Well, I'm making two rating changes on two successful short-term trades. Don't have a lot of time here, so let's get into it. This should be short and sweet. The two buy recommendations that I'm going to a neutral rating on are on the overall S&P 500 index and XLK, the technology ETF. So these were set up by a couple of things. Remember how bearish everybody was when the sky was falling. And then we traced out, this is an intraday chart, 2 hour chart. Each bar represents or candlestick represents 2 hours of price action. So this is an intraday chart. Bullish pattern was setting up. We had a left shoulder, a head, a right shoulder, the neckline, like a man or woman hanging upside down. And I went bullish on April 7th at 65.84. And we had a nice bullish hammer and it broke out. The next day, it gapped up. Here's the price projection based on the pattern. Measure the bottom of the head of the neckline, project that distance upward, and come up with 6,900. We're pretty close to that, maybe a half of a percent from there. But I'll show you why I'm going. So basically, we've achieved it, all right? And we're overbought on a intraday basis. And so I'm going neutral. We got a 4% plus return in 6 days. Well, only 4 trading days. So I think it's a nice little profit to take and run with. This is the daily chart. So this is what I'm going to be watching. So here's where we bought. Here's where we are selling. And we have all the confluence of moving averages coming together, similar to what we saw in the intraday chart a week ago. It looks like we're a day or maybe a day away from that, though. So maybe we get a little bit more upside tomorrow. I'm not sure about that. When that happens, when we look at XLK, this convergence has already come together. So that's why I'm going to take this one off too, maybe a little bit prematurely, but we don't know that yet. So when these come together, two things can happen. The price can stop going up until these moving averages float up to the price, or a type 2 convergence where prices come back down to that convergence. And if they hold, then that promises a new higher high. So it'd be higher than this high. So I'm willing to take my money out now. I don't think I'm going to miss very much upside in the near term. And if it corrects, I don't know, 4 or 5% and it holds here, I can buy it back again. And I know I'm going to promise a new higher high. And if it breaks down, then I'm going to short. So that's the setup. For XLK, here's where we bought. We had, again, a bullish inverse head and shoulders pattern on the intraday 2 hour chart, 2 hours. So we purchased here on a bullish hammer right on the confluence of moving averages. So that was our support. And sure enough, we got a breakout. It came up. I'm selling right here. We're a little bit away from where it should have, where it might go or where it should go, but I'm okay with that when I show you the daily chart, the longer term chart after this. So we got a 7% gain in 4 trading days. That's pretty good. And here we go. We definitely have a bullish rainbow convergence today. These lines are all touching. And so, this can slow down its progression upward until the moving averages come up to it. And then we get more information on the next direction, or prices can retrace down to this. And again, if they hold, I'm going to buy it back. And my stop would be just below that. If it breaks through on the downside, then I'm going to be shorting. So that is the setup. Thank you for watching Chart Built Wealth, Profitable Investing with Technical Analysis. Please like and subscribe. Tell me your thoughts on these smaller, shorter term trades. Adios.